If you're serious about woodworking, precision isn't optional, it's everything. And when it comes to measuring tools, Woodpeckers is the gold standard. Today, we're diving into 12 of their most innovative squares and rulers that can transform your workflow. Let's get measuring.
Number 1. Meet the Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square. Precision you can fold in your pocket. Traditional layout tools make you stop, shift, and guess when wrapping a line around a corner. This one does it in a single, fluid move. No guesswork, no errors. Whether you're cutting tenons, aligning dowels, or marking angled joinery, your face and edge lines stay perfectly aligned. The secret? Each square is precision machined after final assembly, so both edges are dead flat and in perfect plane. The tensioned hinge folds silky smooth, with zero side play, keeping your marks accurate every time, whether flat or wrapped around a corner. It's not just for 90-degree work. Tackle angled bridle joints, hexagonal boxes, and complex multi-face layouts with ease. Choose the full size for larger projects or the mini for tight spaces. Both deliver the same flawless accuracy. Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square, foldable precision for every project. Number 2. The 3-inch Pocket T-Square from Woodpeckers is a small but precise layout tool. It's designed for marking joinery like mortises, tenons, and rabbets, as well as hinge locations and other hardware placement. Using it is simple. Place the broad lip against the edge of your workpiece, choose the guide hole for your measurement, and slide your pencil along. The holes are spaced at 1/32 of an inch, or 1 millimeter in the metric version, so your marks are consistent and accurate. The square is milled from a single piece of aluminium, which keeps it rigid and stable. The edges are beveled, so you can see your markings clearly without parallax error. Its compact size means it fits easily in a pocket, making it handy for quick checks and layouts anywhere in the shop. It's a straightforward, reliable tool for precise marking in small-scale woodworking. Number 3. The 6-inch Precision Woodworking Square from Woodpeckers is designed for accurate marking and setup work in the shop. Its handle has a built-in shoulder, so it sits flat on your workpiece, letting you mark either edge of the blade without tilting or guessing. The thick base allows the square to stand upright on its own. This makes it useful for checking the squareness of a table saw blade, jointer fence, or bandsaw setup without having to hold it in place. There's also a small notch at the inside corner, so you can start a layout line exactly at the edge of your stock. The scales are laser engraved in 1/16-inch increments on both sides, making them easy to read from any angle. It's a practical tool for marking, machine setup, and checking assemblies, and it comes with a wall mount rack to keep it close at hand in the workshop. Number 4. The Indexible square system from Woodpeckers is built around accuracy and flexibility. One of its key features is the set of laser-cut scribing guides, spaced at 1/16-inch intervals. These guides keep your pencil or marking knife perfectly parallel to the edge of your workpiece. Round indexing holes in the blade help position the heads precisely to the nearest full inch. The 4-inch double square head is compact and easy to handle, ideal when you're not working with miters. It can check inside and outside corners from either direction, and a sliding tab supports the head when it's hanging off an edge. The system also works with other heads, including a combination head for 90 degrees and 45 degrees, a protractor head for custom angles, and a centering head for finding the middle of round or square stock. It's a versatile measuring and marking setup that adapts to a wide range of woodworking tasks. Number 5. The Woodpeckers Mini Square is a small, precise tool designed for quick checks and fine adjustments in the workshop. With inside dimensions of just 1 1/8 by 2 inches, it's compact enough to keep in your pocket, yet accurate enough for critical layout and setup work. It's machined from high-grade aluminium, making it both lightweight and durable. The dark red anodized finish isn't just for looks. It creates a clear contrast against your workpiece, making it easier to spot any gaps or misalignment. This square is especially useful for checking the squareness of cutting tool edges, setting up machinery, or confirming joints during assembly. Its small size makes it easy to position in tight spaces where larger squares won't fit. Whether you're building furniture, cabinetry, or small boxes, the mini square offers a quick, reliable way to confirm accuracy without interrupting your workflow. Number 6. The 3D multi-marking square from Woodpeckers is designed to mark both the face and the edge of a board at the same time. Its two full-length legs give you a stable reference, even on thinner stock, so your lines stay accurate without wobble or guesswork. Precision milled steps in the blade allow quick marking for 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 inch dimensions without needing a separate ruler. The base registers cleanly on both inside and outside corners, making it useful for complex joinery and checking assemblies for square. It's also a practical tool for machinery setup. Standing 4 to 1/2 inch tall, it clears table inserts so you can adjust blades or bits hands-free. The engraved scales are easy to read, and the base doubles as 3/4 inch and 1 inch setup blocks. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum and assembled to tight tolerances, it's built for consistent accuracy in layout, joinery, and machine adjustments. Number 7. The 12-inch T-square from Woodpeckers is designed for accurate, repeatable layout work in woodworking. It's made from machined aluminum, joined to a solid billet handle for a stable, long-lasting reference. Along the blade, there are precisely spaced guide holes every 1/16 of an inch. By placing a pencil in one of these holes and sliding the square along the edge of your workpiece, you can create perfectly parallel lines without measuring each time. Support lips along the beam, keep the square from tipping or rolling, so it stays steady while you mark. The laser engraved scales are accurate to within 4/1000ths of an inch, and the beveled edges bring the markings right down to the surface of your stock for easy reading. It also includes 1/4 inch holes on 1 inch centers for laying out shelf pins, and comes with a wall mount rack to keep it close at hand in the shop. Number 8. The Woodpeckers Delve Square is a compact, multi-purpose layout tool designed for a variety of woodworking tasks. At 3.5 inches, it's small enough to keep close at hand, yet it packs in features that make layout and setup faster and more accurate. A 1/4 inch offset helps divide standard 3/4 inch stock into thirds, while a 3/8 inch offset quickly finds the center. Built-in setup blocks for 3/8, 1/2, and 3/4 of an inch can be used to set drill press or router bit depths without extra gauges. Scribing holes along the blade make it easy to draw parallel lines, and the square includes angle references like 22.5 degrees for octagon layouts. There's also a hole positioned for centering a self-centering drill bit on 3/4 inch stock. From table saw alignment to quick marking, the Delve Square combines multiple measuring and setup functions in one compact, stainless steel tool. Number 9. The Woodpeckers Clamping Square Plus is designed to hold your workpieces at a perfect 90 degrees during assembly. Each square measures 1.25 inches wide, 6 3/4 inches long, and 3/4 of an inch thick, with a series of 3/8 inch holes that accept the matching CSP clamps. The clamps lock directly into the square, securing material as thin as 3/16 of an inch and up to 2 inches thick. Large, easy-to-grip knobs make tightening quick and comfortable, providing a firm hold without slipping. Machined from a solid block of aluminum, the squares are longer, wider, and stronger than the original design, and they maintain a tolerance of ±0.0255 degrees for reliable accuracy. Whether you're gluing up a cabinet, assembling a frame, or building boxes, the Clamping Square Plus keeps your corners square and your hands free for fastening or adjusting. Number 10. The Woodpeckers Skill Square combines the familiar shape of a carpenter's square with the precision of a finely machined measuring tool. It's built with a one-piece stainless steel blade and a separately machined aluminum beam, giving it both strength and accuracy. The blade is laser cut and machined to a tolerance of just over 8/10,000ths of a degree, helping reduce parallax error when reading measurements. Scales are laser engraved in 1/16 inch increments, so they remain clear and easy to read over time. 2 sets of scribing guides are built in, larger guides on 1/4 inch centers for construction work, and finer guides on 1/8 inch centers for more detailed layouts. Triangular notches allow marking in either a push or pull motion with pencils or markers. A sharp pivot point makes angle marking, including rafters, accurate and repeatable. The beam's chamfered edges make it comfortable to hold and easy to position during extended use. Number 11. The Woodpeckers hex scale rule is a versatile measuring system that combines multiple scale types into one tool. The full set includes 4 rulers, 6, 12, 24, and 36 inches, along with matching metric lengths, 4 adjustable stops, and a wall mount rack for storage. Each rule offers left to right and right to left measuring, inch and metric graduations, and a centering scale. The right to left option is especially useful when measuring from a table saw's rip fence to the blade. The centering scale removes the need for calculations. By aligning the same measurement on both edges of your workpiece, the zero mark automatically falls at the exact center, making it easy to mark or lay out points evenly on either side. The hex scale's architectural style design makes switching between inch and metric simple. Just roll the rule to reveal the equivalent scale. It's a flexible measuring solution for layout, joinery, and hardware placement. Number 12. The Woodpeckers 3D setup blocks are a versatile way to set measurements quickly and accurately in the workshop. This set includes 7 precision-machined aluminum blocks in sizes from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, along with a wall mount rack for easy storage. Each block offers 4 different measuring functions. The center cutout straddles a blade or bit for setting height. The step shoulder is useful for positioning a fence or setting drill press depth. The curved camel hump checks depth without touching the corner, and the angled end helps set bevel angles. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum and anodized in Woodpeckers, signature red, the blocks are durable and easy to handle. Bright white laser-engraved markings stay clear and readable over time. Whether you're adjusting a router bit, setting a table saw blade, or checking a bevel, these setup blocks provide a fast, reliable reference for accurate machine adjustments.